I'm just so embarrassed right now. It's just the dumbest thing. Monday morning, and it is a morose motivation murdering media Monday, because alliteration is my thing. My morose murdering motivation murdering morose Monday, because for those of you who have who are part of the internet, who go on the internet, you will have seen the drama that's happened around YouTube and YouTube's desire to raise the barrier to entry and lower the number of people in their partnership program. And you will have heard no end of stuff about this from everybody on YouTube. And you know what? It's solving a problem they created for themselves accidentally many years ago. And I can't bitch too much about that. But at the end of the day, I don't monetize my videos. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth introducing that barrier to entry. However, I'm 6% away from keeping my partnership, because you need over 1,000 subscribers. Got that? And 240,000 minutes viewed over the last 12 months. Viewed minutes. View time in minutes. So you need 4,000 hours watched, and I'm 6% of the way. So if I had a really good month this month, I could get to keep my partnership. And you know what? That is why we have had so many videos come out recently, and why I am working so hard, because we are so close to it. I want to fight for it. Even though this isn't going to keep my income, this isn't going to make me any money, because I don't make money off YouTube. I'm just kind of, I feel like they're delegitimizing me as a content creator. I have tried my hardest. I am trying new types of videos every month. I'm doing this, that, and the other, and none of it's landing. My channel just, thank you so much everybody for being here with me, and it's got to be the most frustrating thing to come back as a regular viewer, because there's 10 of you, there's a few of you who are regular viewers and who I have a great relationship with, and for me to sit here and bitch about, oh no, I suck at YouTube, my channel is awful, that's almost an insult to you. But it's sapping my motivation. It's really, it hurts. It's demoralizing for YouTube to go, oh yeah, we are changing the barrier to entry, and sort of, this is now the definition of a small YouTuber, who like someone who is below small. And to find out that, like, I'm so close, and it's just, and also I'm afraid of what when is their next update going to be? When are they going to move the goalposts again? So over the next couple of weeks, you'll have seen it last week, you'll be seeing it this week, I will be putting out a lot of 1-minute episodes, which are just rehashing my old sculpts, or releasing sculpted stream footage that I didn't think would work as a full video. I'm going to be putting them all up. So what I need from you is to pick one of those short sculpting videos and share it in a space relevant to that fandom. There's a couple of League of Legends sculpts. There's Undertale, there's Rick and Morty, there'll be Fallout. I'll be going through all of my old sculpts and doing reduxes of them, and all of those reduxes will feed back into the original full tutorials. But of course, if we're talking about, if you're sharing in like cosplay spaces and such, go back and grab the full tutorial, the full sculpting video for Sans, the full sculpting, moulding and casting and painting videos for Kindred, and share them in your cosplay spaces. Help me out. We have like 3 weeks. 3 weeks to, I don't want to say save the channel, because we're not going anywhere. I'm not losing anything that I know of. I don't think so. But it just feels a bit, I don't know. Anyway, speaking of feels that I don't know, I'm going to go and carry on editing all those videos that I need to get up. See you for a stream on Tuesday. Welcome, friends, to a tumultuous Tuesday, as we are just back from university, and I have been doing nothing but sketching and, well, lots of sleep and video editing. So I didn't get into uni until late today, like we're talking like 2 p.m. But I was there for a good 4 hours sketching and trying to catch up and make sure I've got things. I'm now just under a week and a half behind, I think. But you know what? It's all good. Why am I waving around some office shoes? Kind of because I'm never going to need these again. I hope. I really hope. So these are now going to be sacrificed on the altar of cosplay. So we're going to turn these into Krombopulous Michael, the less dramatic than these, because Krombopulous Michael isn't as digitigrade as like the other Krombopulous. So it's good, but he needs feet, so we're going to cut these about and yeah, include them in the costume. I might actually make some greaves for him as well, to match these on the wrists, so we can just kind of put a little bit of our own interpretation on this. Anyway, being Tuesday, we're about to start streaming, and hopefully we can leave our YouTube drama behind us. So let's put on our wireless headphones and press play. See you in a bit.
Oh boy, here I go cosplaying again.
A weird Wednesday, friends, because I've just been recording my Krombopulous Michael video, and I discovered not only have I been waving about a green prop in front of a green screen, which I realised halfway through the recording, I also accidentally streamed the whole recording on my second camera. Oh my god, I am such an idiot! Hey everyone! And there are people in chat, I'm so sorry! Well, it's good to listen to how you make the diaries. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so dumb! In other news, YouTube seems to have gotten a bit healthier, but I'm still fighting because we're not halfway to the improvement we need, but you know what, this is going to be after, like, I've done a lot of the work. I'm just so embarrassed right now. This is the dumbest thing. Anyway, see you all tomorrow for Thursday, and Thursday's actual real stream. It's Thursday. Yep, it is actually a day later than yesterday and our accidental stream, which wasn't really a problem, but was massively embarrassing. Either way, it is Thursday today. I didn't go to uni today, as I don't know if I just having a bad mental health week, or if I'm actually a little bit ill, and that's going to inform having a bad mental health week, because I haven't been sleeping very well. And so I got up quite late today, and then when my other half went off to work, I went straight back to bed and slept for another 4 hours until like 1 o'clock. So yeah, missed a day of uni, but missed a day of uni. And I also discovered that my entire video recording yesterday, which I was really happy with, I discovered whilst I was editing it together that I'd put the lapel mic on here into the wrong slot. I have literally no idea how I did that. I've never done that before. And so all the audio is from the inbuilt microphones whilst it was in my pocket. So every time I move, we get fabric against fabric. I did my best to try and clean that audio up. I tried to take audio from the GoPro, from the stream, but it just won't go. So I am back here dressed in the same clothes because I chose this t-shirt, especially for this video, and we're going to try again. And this time, we're going to not screw up by trying not to wave this guy in front of a green screen, because that'll just chroma key out, because I don't have a blue screen. Either way, let's give this another go. after a good few hours tidying this place, we now have a hoovered floor, some flavour of reintroduction of organisation, and you know what? It is suitable for habitation by other individuals. And I've kind of done this rather than do what I was planning on doing, which was I was going to come in here and put some time into Vetra's assault rifle, which I don't know if you can hear it. There's something loose inside one of the hollow parts, which is really going to bug me. But yeah, so Friday just gone by. Didn't record anything because I spent most of the time in bed asleep, feeling pretty ill. But then I also I think I did a bit of uni work and chased down some editing things to get the Krombopulous Michael video up, and I've also been off university for 2 days due to illness. And in fact, that's one of the reasons why I've just been pootling about tidying, because I just want to vomit at the moment. I'm not feeling very well. I've gotten over the cold aspects of things, but you know, either way, I've been experimenting with some stuff for a future Kindred, because I really want to get back to that, because I've been playing a hell of a lot of League of Legends recently, and I've just like, I don't know, maybe the whole like having Jin and Kindred like waved about on the Riot thing really kind of rekindled my enjoyment of it, or maybe I'm just not feeling great and procrastinating a hell of a lot because of it. Either way, yeah, I've not been doing great, but you know what? That's all the cosplay relevant stuff. I was intending to stream. No, my backup plan for streaming tonight was to do some 3D modelling, but I'm sorry. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get a nice long stream and I'll finish Krombopulous Michael's foam, maybe painting, maybe do a dry run, and I'll have a friend with me as well who will probably be working on their own Zenyatta, so that's cool. Oh, is there something on the lens? Has that been there the entire time? Oh, I'm not good at this. It started as a sunny Sunday. Now it's raining, which is really annoying because I was going to get these guys sprayed. In fact, I'd left them outside to dry out so that they, I could then like actually paint them and get them sent off tomorrow. Actually, wait, what am I doing? Why am I just talking to you guys and not bringing them inside whilst they're being rained on? Anyway, so this week, if you've been following along, you will know has been, sorry for the motion sickness anyway, has been a bit of a kind of mixed bag. I felt a bit crappy, I felt a bit blah, blah, blah. Last night I got an email telling me to hold off on a big commission that I was being asked to do. And then next week marks the 3-week, but I want to get it done in 2-week deadline for my university work. So that's going to be fun. So on Monday, we're going to be doing some live casting of one of our uni friends' arms, which will be cool. However, you can see just how nice the studio looks now. Look, we have a floor! We've got a nice place that some of Vetra lives. Work in progress Groot. Let's finish that at some point. Sparehead, Vetra. Oh, we're starting to populate this place with costumes and cosplay and all that. I don't know, like, I've really stepped up my game, haven't I? Either way, we have a friend coming round in a bit, and then we will stream tonight. And you know what? I have no idea what I'm streaming. Help! I don't know what the aperture on this fisheye lens can see. I don't know if you can see me here. Why am I think I've had too much caffeine, too much coffee. Is there such a thing? So, what are we going to do today? Speaking out loud, thinking out loud. We have to do the sewing part for Krombopulous Michael. We have to, I'm thinking about giving him some greaves, and this is inventing details, but you know what, I may as well. So I might make some armoured greaves that match the armoured braces, which will bring the outfit together. Maybe So we need to sew the pouches. I got some extra electronic bits because I'm going to plan something really, really cool. Not going to plan something, planning something really, really cool. The 3D printer is going right now. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to have lunch and then we are going to get on with whatever we're getting on with today. Help. Send help.